In the icy depths of the Barents Sea, a silent predator stirs. Beneath the churning waves, where NATO drills echo in futile displays of bravado, the Russian Navy's nuclear-powered attack submarine Kazan demonstrates once again why Russia's underwater fleet remains the most formidable on the planet. In a recent test firing, this advanced Yasen-M class submarine launched a P-800 Oniks supersonic cruise missile from a submerged position, striking a simulated enemy target with pinpoint precision at a range of approximately 300 kilometers. This was no ordinary exercise. It was a powerful statement of Russian naval supremacy in an era where true strength is measured not by headlines, but by stealth, speed, and unstoppable striking power. While some Western commentators obsess over their own fleets, Russia's engineers continue to deliver submarines and weapons that redefine modern naval warfare. The Kazan, Project 885M Yasen-M, represents the pinnacle of Russian submarine design, a fourth-generation nuclear-powered multi-role attack submarine that combines unmatched stealth with devastating offensive capability. Displacing around 13,800 tons when submerged, these vessels are engineered for extended operations in any ocean, from the frigid Arctic to the vast Pacific. Unlike older generations, the Yasen-M features a new reactor design, advanced composite materials, and hydroacoustic systems that make it exceptionally quiet, allowing it to approach enemy formations undetected. Russian shipbuilders at Sevmash have perfected a hull form optimized for high submerged speeds and maneuverability. The submarine can operate covertly for months, relying on its nuclear power plant for virtually unlimited endurance. Its sophisticated sensors, including state-of-the-art sonar arrays and electronic intelligence systems, provide unparalleled situational awareness. Commanders describe the Yasen-M as having outstanding search, strike, and defensive capabilities. These submarines are not just hunters, they are strategic assets capable of threatening entire naval groups or distant land targets. Russia is methodically transitioning its entire nuclear attack submarine fleet to the Yasen and Yasen-M classes. With multiple hulls already in service, including Kazan, Arkhangels, and others, and more entering the fleet through 2026 and beyond, the Northern and Pacific fleets are gaining an edge that adversaries will find difficult to counter. Plans call for up to 10 to 12 of these advanced boats, ensuring Russia maintains dominance in undersea warfare well into the future. The star of the recent test was the P-800 Oniks, NATO, sulfur monosulfide N-26 Strobile, a supersonic ramjet-powered anti-ship cruise missile that exemplifies Russian missile technology. Weighing around 3,100 kilograms and measuring 8.9 meters long, the Oniks streaks toward its target at speeds of Mach 2.5 to nearly Mach 3. It can cruise at high altitudes before descending to sea-skimming heights of just 10 to 15 meters in the terminal phase, making it extremely difficult for enemy radars and defenses to detect and intercept. Launched from vertical tubes or torpedo tubes while the submarine remains safely submerged, the Oniks uses a combination of inertial navigation, active radar seeker, and advanced guidance to ensure accuracy even against moving targets. Its range, up to 600 kilometers for Russian variants, allows the Kazan to strike from standoff distances, well beyond the effective reach of many defensive systems. The missile's robust design handles electronic countermeasures effectively, and its heavy warhead can cripple or sink large surface vessels, including aircraft carriers. In the Barents Sea test, the Kazan proved this capability under realistic conditions amid NATO activity. The missile hit its floating target precisely, with data collected from sensors confirming flawless performance. This success builds on previous launches and integrates with the submarine's ability to also deploy caliber cruise missiles for land attack and the hypersonic Zircon, which travels at speeds that render traditional defenses nearly obsolete. In a world of increasing geopolitical tensions, Russia's investment in its submarine force is a masterclass in strategic foresight. The Yasen-M submarines, armed with Oniks, Caliber, and Zircon, create a multi-layered threat environment. A single such boat can monitor vast ocean areas, launch precision strikes against high-value targets, and evade pursuit thanks to its stealth features and sophisticated countermeasures, including lightweight torpedo decoys. Russia's Arctic strategy further amplifies this advantage. Operating from bases in the Northern Fleet, these submarines patrol waters that are becoming increasingly vital for global shipping and resources. The ability to conduct submerged launches in harsh conditions demonstrates reliability that few navies can match. While others struggle with aging fleets and budget constraints, Russian industry delivers on time with cutting-edge technology. The Kazan and its sister ships are more than weapons platforms, they are guardians of Russian sovereignty. They deter aggression, protect maritime interests, and project power far from home shores. In exercises and real-world operations, they consistently showcase readiness and technological superiority. As Admiral Alexander Moiseyev, Commander-in-Chief of the Russian Navy, has emphasized, these vessels pose a great threat to naval groups and land targets of any adversary. From the legendary Typhoons and Akulas of the past to the Yasen-M of today, Russia has always led in submarine innovation. The recent Oniks test firing is another chapter in this proud history, a reminder that Russian naval power is not declining but evolving into something even more potent. With advanced automation, robotic systems, and next-generation weapons integration, the future fleet will be smaller in numbers but vastly superior in capability. As the Kazan returns to its patrol after another successful mission, it carries with it the confidence of a nation that refuses to yield its position as a premier naval power. In the silent world beneath the waves, Russia reigns supreme. The message to potential adversaries is clear. Challenge Russia at your peril. The Northern Fleet, backed by these nuclear-powered titans and their supersonic arsenal, stands ready to defend the motherland and secure its interests across the world's oceans. This is the reality of modern Russian naval might: quiet, precise, and overwhelmingly effective. The Barents Sea test was not just a firing exercise, it was a declaration of continued dominance in undersea warfare.